Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in the previous video we have seen how to create a table. So basically if you have not seen that video, you can check it out. So we have created a table in ServiceNow. That is the name of the table is ABC, and then we did some things here like adding the rows. We have added two rows, okay, name and phone. So these are the two rows which we have added. So in this video actually we are going to see what are all the different operations which can be performed on the table. For example, what is mean by design form, what is mean by layout form, layout list, show form, show list, show schema map, then add to service catalog, run point scan, and explore REST APIs. So out of these very important things are the first four and last one, okay, so REST API and all. So we will be seeing these things in this video. All right, so first of all I will start with the design form. So what is design form? Actually, like we have added two fields here, name and phone. So if you want to see like how I can arrange those things in order to make the UI better, so you can use the design form here. So I'll just click on this design form and it will open in the new tab. So basically in this interface you can like the name and phone, these are the two fields which you have created. So let's say like I don't want this horizontally present for the user whenever he is filling, so I can drag and drop and I can rearrange name, after that phone number will be there. If I want first phone number then name, you can do it here. And if you want to add some other fields like created, so you can add it over here. If you want to add a field which is, these are the fields which are by default given by the system, okay. So updated by, let us say updated by, you want to add somewhere here, so then updated by you can give it over here. So like this, form design is basically you want to make the changes according to the need. So this is how you can do, and once you just click on save, it will save the that form, okay. So now if I just show, if okay, so now you have created the form, you have made a design. Now you want to see how it looks to the end user, you can make use of this show form, okay. So I'll just click on this show form and you can see here the phone number is there, name is there, and these are not accessible because these are like I have turned them false in the first option over here, just here. Yeah, so created over here, created by, created, updated by, so these are all turned false here, that's why they are not visible. And they, though they are like system generated, that's why they will not be visible. Okay, you can ask like these two things are also false, but how they are visible? Here is the trick, like in, if you go to the layout list, okay, so if you just go to layout list, this is what it will be helping to. So these are the available fields and these are the only selected fields, so whatever is selected that will be only visible for the user. And also you can create a new field from here. So if I just remove this phone number from here, okay, so I'll just show you. I have removed the phone number from the selected list, and now if I save this and I see the form again, so now I will not be able to see the phone number because I have removed it from the available list. So if I just click on show form, now the, okay, so this thing is still, it requires reload sometimes, okay. So but ideally it should not be present there, but it creates some problems. Sometimes it's possible that it will take some time, okay. But definitely it has to remove, it has to be removed from there, okay. So that is about the show form and all. And after that, okay, layout list. Okay, so layout list I have shown you already, and now if I go again, then there is something called okay, show list. I already showed you, like show list in the sense whatever the data which is present in this table, that will be shown here. So I have created one record called Akash, okay. So if I just click on that, then it will show the phone number for Akash is this, name is Akash, created by this, created by admin, and updated by admin. So you can update this record if you want, or you can delete this one, okay. So this is about show list where you can see the record actually. All right, then okay, so I'll just go back one more step. Okay, I can go it from here also. Okay, so now Next thing, explore REST API. So REST API is very important for any developers. If you are creating one table, then by default they will be creating the REST API for you. Okay, so loading the API list over here, so you can uh, do the CRUD operations, like you can get, you can post, or you can put, delete, patch, anything you want, you can do it over here. So if you have the right credentials, then you can use this HTTP, I mean this URI, and you can consume the API. So here you need to just give the table name, that is ABC in our case, just for example. Then you can see here table name, that is ABC u underscore ABC. And in this search, you can, if you want the API for some other table which you have created, you can select it from here. And these are all the operations which if you are doing some customizations and all, these things will be used. Okay, so you can code samples are also available. If you want a JavaScript code, then you just click on JavaScript, then it will give you the JavaScript code for the present API. So this is the thing which is very interesting about the ServiceNow, is that they already, like, they will give the code in lot of languages: ServiceNow script, curl, Python, Ruby, Perl, PowerShell, anything. Okay, so after that I guess most of the things are covered. So that's all in this video, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Please do subscribe if you are still not subscribed. Okay, so will be interesting stuff, will be updating every day.